What's the meaning of acquaint? Acquaint. 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 The word acquaint means to make someone familiar with something or someone. When one acquaints oneself with something or someone, they gain a basic knowledge or understanding of that thing or person. The result of acquainting oneself with something or someone can vary depending on the context. For example, if one acquaints themselves with a new piece of technology, they may gain the ability to use it effectively. If one acquaints themselves with a new colleague, they may be able to establish a friendly working relationship. In general, the act of acquainting oneself with something or someone leads to an increased level of familiarity and proficiency.